Welcome back to Confident English Lab. It's a 10-minute daily practice. Yes, just 10 minutes. This can completely change your English fluency. If you do this every day, your speaking will become faster, your words will come naturally, and you will feel confident every time you speak. I know this sounds simple, but it's not just simple. It's effective. It's powerful. This is the same method many language learners use to go from I understand, but I can't speak, to I speak easily and naturally. So if you are ready, let's begin. If you've been learning English for months, maybe even years, but you still freeze when it's time to speak, this episode is for you. Today, I'm sharing the real secret to fast English fluency. Not grammar rules, not memorizing long vocabulary lists, but the exact way native speakers in the US and the UK actually learn language. So grab a coffee, put your headphones on, and let's get into it. First of all, let's be real. Most English learners sound correct, but not natural. They say things like, I am fine, thank you, and you? But native speakers say, I'm good, I'm doing all right, can't complain. Pretty chill, honestly. Fluency is not about being perfect. It's about sounding comfortable. And here's the truth nobody tells you. Fluency is built through exposure, not pressure. Native speakers don't think about grammar when they talk. They speak in chunks, patterns, and habits. For example, listen to this. Instead of saying, I will contact you later, we say, I'll hit you up later. Instead of, I don't understand, we say, I'm lost. I have no clue. That went over my head. That's real English. Now let me tell you the biggest mistake learners make. They study English, but they don't live in English. If English is only a subject for you, you'll never feel fluent. But if English becomes part of your daily life, your music, your podcasts, your inner voice, everything changes. That's why podcasts and shadowing are game changers. When you listen to natural conversations every day, your brain starts copying the rhythm, the stress, the pauses. You stop translating, you start reacting. And that's when fluency kicks in. Here's a quick mindset shift for you. Stop asking, how can I speak perfect English? Start asking, how can I speak clear and confident English? Because confidence beats perfection every single time. Native speakers mess up too. We say, we restart sentences, we change our mind halfway. And guess what? Nobody cares. So relax. You're doing better than you think. Let's talk about slang, because I know you want that. In American and British English, slang is everywhere. We say things like, that makes sense. That's fair. I'm down for that. No worries. It is what it is. Let's see how it goes. These phrases are simple, but they make you sound natural instantly. You don't need fancy words. You need the right words. Here's a small challenge for you. For the next 7 days, listen to English every single day, even 10 minutes. Repeat out loud. Copy the speed and tone. Don't analyze. Just absorb. If you do this consistently, I promise you'll feel the difference. Your listening will improve first, then your speaking will follow, naturally. If you wait for when you have 2 hours a day, you may never start. So the solution is focus on progress, not perfection. Fluency is messy. Language learning is messy, and that's okay. And here is mistake number 3, practicing without emotion. If your practice feels boring, your brain won't care. So the solution is choose topics you love. Talk about your hobbies, dreams, goals. Make English personal. So my friends, now you know the secret. It's not a magic app. It's not a perfect textbook. It's not a grammar rule. It's just 10 minutes. 10 minutes every single day. Listen, speak, personalize, free talk, reflect. If you do this for 1 week, you will feel the difference. If you do it for 1 month, other people will notice the difference. And if to do it for 6 months, your fluency will explode. Remember, language is not learned in a classroom. It's built in small daily moments in your kitchen, on a walk, and while brushing your teeth. So start today. Before we wrap up, remember this. You don't need to sound like a textbook. You need to sound like yourself, in English. Fluency is a journey, not a switch. And you're already on the right path. If you enjoyed this episode, stick around for more real-life English, daily expressions, and native-level speaking practice. Come back tomorrow, practice again, grow again. Thank you so much for listening to Confident English Lab. Keep learning and keep practicing. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment the word English. See you in the next video.